Hello and welcome again to Golden Years Care channel. I'm your host, Owen Osarinho, your senior advocate. In continuation of our global awareness on dementia, there's an area I want us to reflect on. The fact about the environment, how much of impact environment have on people with dementia. How much impact does environment and nature have on people with dementia, and also the ability to manage the situation, making reference to some of the initiative and approach that we've come to notice in some other places like Thailand and Holland and all that. So there's a video that explains this about the much different that's there. Before then, I will just make a brief introduction before we go into the video. See, the impact of environment and nature on dementia care is quite profound, and it's good we know much about this. You see, the environment plays a pivotal role in the well-being of individuals with dementia, significantly influencing their ability to manage their daily activity and overall quality of life. Also, incorporating natural elements and thoughtfully designing spaces can lead to notable improvements in moods, in engagement, and cognitive function, actually. This approach is exemplified by specialized care facilities like in Thailand, which harness the therapeutic benefits of nature to support dementia care. The impact of environments on nature on the dementia care cannot be emphasized enough. You see, research indicates that exposure to natural environments and outdoor activity offers multiple benefits for individuals with dementia. They enhance mood and reduce agitation as well. See, natural settings have a calming effect, leading to decreased agitation and improve mood. Engagement with nature can also alleviate stress and promote relaxation. Another is improve sleep patterns. Regular exposure to natural light help regulate circadian rhythms, contributing to better sleep quality. Adequate sleep is crucial for cognitive function and overall health. Also, we know about increased physical activities, as accessible outdoor spaces encourage physical improvements, which is beneficial for cardiovascular health and can slow cognitive decline. Activities like walking or gardening providing both exercise and sensory stimulations. Enhance social integration and engagement also. You see, the therapeutic environment that incorporate nature facilitates social integration, social interaction, and meaningful activities, also reducing feelings of isolation and promoting a sense of community, which is what most of them need. In this facility that we'll be viewing in Thailand, for example, you see, Thailand has emerged as a destination for innovative dementia care, offering facilities that integrate natural environments into the care of dementia. You see care resorts all over that are springing up in Thailand now, also are purposely, intentionally built for this. These facilities exemplify how environmental design, particularly the incorporation of nature, can enhance the quality of life for individuals with dementia. Also, by creating spaces that are safe, engaging, and connected to natural world, they address the unique need of their residents as well, offering a holistic approach to dementia. See, in this video we watch together, we will see how this come to play. You see, the thoughtful integration of environmental and natural elements in dementia care settings significantly imparts the well-being and management of individual with dementia. So let us watch this video together and see. There's a lot about life that we don't know. You know, just watching that documentary, it brings a lot back to our mind. What's really going on? You see, the ability uh, for whoever is going through that situation or any situation similar to find family support go a long way in making the people uh, feel better, at least for that moment, as we look forward to having a permanent solution to dementia. Hopefully, very soon, one day, we'll get the cure. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now. Just remember to subscribe to our channel. Good ESK channel. Thanks.